Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss very interesting topic, why to study biology and where can biology take you. So first we'll discuss what is biology. By life we mean a thing that can nourish itself and grow and decay. This was given by famous scientist, that is Aristotle. The branch of science that deals with the study of living creatures and their life process is known as biology. So biology is combination of two words, that is bios means life and logos means study. So basically it is the study of living organism or study of life. Now we will discuss 6 reasons that emphasizes the importance of biology. First is it explains the changes of human bodies. So by studying biology, we will be able to know about the sudden changes which are occurring in a body, like there are many changes which are occurring in childhood as well as adulthood. Some may be due to physiochemical process, some may be due to hormones. Second is it shapes different careers. With biology, we can opt different careers like we can become doctor, chemist, engineer, nurse, scientist, teacher, professor and many more. Third, it provides answers to large scale problems. So learning the importance of biology answer can give answer to some of the worldwide problems. It can even offer some solutions to environmental issues without compromising or sacrificing anything. Fourth is it teaches concepts on basic living. So with biology, we are able to know the concepts on basic living, how what to eat, when to eat, how to plant the trees, when to sleep and all. Fifth, it helps in answering the fundamental questions about life. So biology basically helps us to answer all the fundamental questions about life, like where did life begin, where do humans come from, was God that made human beings and many more. And last is it paves way for scientific investigation. So biology is a subject which paves the way for scientific investigations. Various researches are going on with this subject on various diseases. There are various fields of biology like botany, zoology. Next is biotechnology. It is an emerging field which involves technology with biological sciences. Next is biomedical sciences, biophysics, environmental science, marine biology, geology, allied medicine, forensic science which involves identification of criminals, bioinformatics, genetics which is the study of heredity and genetic character, microbiology which involves study of various organisms which are causing various diseases, biochemistry. Next is food technology, physiology, and last is food and agriculture. So we will study various branches and what is the scope of each and every branch. So first we'll study botany. As we know, it is a well-established branch of biology that involves the study of plants, their structure, their process, growth, and various other functions. Now, there is vast scope of this botany. With the degree in botany, we can work in landscape industries, natural resource centers, environmental consultancies, and researchers, teacher, professor, taxonomist, horticulture, nursery manager, and environmental consultant. Next is zoology. As we know that it is a study which involves study of all evolution of animals, their structure, behavior, interaction with the environment and their function. And with a degree in zoology, we can find work as researcher, animal breeder, wildlife rehabilitator, wildlife biologist, zoo creator, ornithologist, zoologist, wildlife expert with any animal sanctuary, teacher, professor in school, colleges, etc. Next famous branch is microbiology. As we know, it is a very famous branch and it is the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, viruses and their interaction with the human, animals, plants and other organisms. With this microbiology, we can get very typical employment opportunities like clinical researcher, research scientist, lab technician, quality control, working in pharmaceuticals, health sector, food industries, distilleries, agriculture, etc. Biochemistry. We know biochemistry is a branch of science that involves the study of chemical process and substances which occur within the living organism. And since it is a growing field, we can find numerous exciting opportunities such as biomedical scientists, forensic scientists, clinical lab technologists, toxicologists, research scientists, healthcare scientists, pharmaceutical sales representative, consultant, patient care coordinator, lab technician, medical coder, teacher, professor, etc. Environmental science. Environmental science is an essential field in the current world and it involves the study of physical, chemical and biological components of the environment with their interaction. So with environmental science, environmental science we can get hired for research, other roles of various industries such as mines, water treatment plants, fertilizer plants and different government departments and agencies such as forestry, pollution control, agriculture, etc. Next branch of science is genetics and this is very interesting field as we know that it is the field which involves the study of genes and their functions and all the genetic variations and heredity of living organism. So with genetics, we can know whether a particular disease is hereditary or not. So there are various jobs which are related to genetics like becoming a geneticist, immunologist, cytogenetics, forensic DNA analyst, medical technologist, genetics, clinical research associate, research scientist, etc. Now bioinformatics, we know that this field combines together biology, computer science and information technology. So with this bioinformatics, we can work as bioinformatics analyst or developer with pharmaceutical and biotechnological companies, healthcare organization, pharmaceutical and with research agencies after taking degree. Physiology is the study of bodily functions, activities and mechanism of the living organism, especially humans. So all the systems which are working in a particular way comes under the physiology. So there are many professional opportunities in this field which include like working as clinical exercise physiologist, biomedical scientist, physiotherapist, sports physiotherapist, researcher, teacher, professor, etc. Next field is marine biology. Marine biology is a field of knowledge which involves the study of marine organisms, including their behavior and interaction with the environment. And related to this field, there is career in fishery science and we can also work as aquaculturist, fishery biologist, environmental consultant, researcher, etc. Now comes very interesting field that is biotechnology. It is a field that combines biology with technology. So it utilizes all the organisms such as cells, bacteria in the industrial process. Now with biotechnology, there are various techniques like recombinant DNA technology, genetic engineering, by which we can cure many diseases. So there is a vast scope of biotechnology, like researchers manipulate genes as they are required to produce results which can bring about change or prove to be revolutionary for the society. Biotechnology students can make their career in agricultural, environmental, energy, pharmaceutical, chemical, genetics, or clinical research. Biophysics is a field which combines the principles of physics with those of biology. And with biophysics, we can become a nuclear medical biophysicist, clinical biophysicist, forensic biophysicist, nutritional biophysicist, professor, etc. Next field is biomedical science. It is applied science that combines different aspects of different disciplines to develop interventions, technology, knowledge in the domain of healthcare. And with biomedical science, we know that the knowledge and the skill gained in this career allows us to work as biochemical scientist, clinical researcher, forensic scientist, toxicologist, immunologist, and other healthcare professions. It is a relatively very new and fast expanding field in India. Next field is food and agriculture. It is a wide domain consisting of various fields which are related to the understanding of biological and chemical process that affect the plant, dairy and production of food. And with this food and agriculture, there are many career opportunities like process development scientist, product development scientist, agricultural consultant, agricultural manager, research and development, horticulturist, florist, food technologist, dairy technologist, scientist, plant and animal nutritionist, etc. Allied medicine is also one of the fields that consists of different healthcare careers that are distinct from the doctors, and yet they assist doctors in their work. So with this allied medicine, we can work in hospitals along with the doctors. Next field is agriculture. In India, we know that it is a agriculture dominated country where there is vast scope for students pursuing career in agriculture studies. Here we can say that agriculture is not restricted to growing fruits, vegetable, food grains only, but it is also choices like dairy, poultry, horticulture and farming of course. So with agriculture, students can either consider research or training in various specialization and select from courses which are available with various universities. Now next field is forensic science. This forensic science is another very interesting career prospects as it is a very emerging field which deals with the identification of various criminals and all. So this field involves investigation of a crime by applying the scientific principle. Next is geology. The study of geology is all about earth and everything which is related right from its structures to its component. It also includes the study of all kind of organism which is present on the earth. So this geology includes study of oceanography, geostatics, hydrogeology. With this geology, we can get various jobs like consultant companies, natural research consultant organization, and various government jobs. We can also work like scientists in Geological Survey of India. Next field is food technology. Food technology basically deals with the scientific understanding about the food items we eat. That is their production methods, their packed form, and how they are preserved. And with this food technology, we can get jobs like food quality control in any restaurant, hotel, research officer, packaging instructor, manager, and many other. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that we can bring more videos like this.